Hello everyone, welcome to the networking practical series. In today's session, we'll study about the router interfaces, and this is the topology we'll be using. So we're using router 1841, and there are two networks in this case. There are two switches and 6 PCs, one switch and 3 PCs in each network. So this is the network. On the left side we have network 1, on the right side we have network 2. So every interface of router, it creates a new network. So there are two networks. Now regarding the IP addresses, for network 1 we are using this particular IP address. So the first address of the network 1 is 192.168.1.0. this is the network address, it is not assigned to any interface. Then the next address 192.168.1.1, it is assigned to router interface fast ethernet. FE00 is fast ethernet 0/0. Then the other three addresses 192.168.1.2, 1.3 and 1.4 to the PCs PC012. In network 2, the first address is 192.168.2.0, which is the network address, it is not assigned to any interface. Then the next address is assigned to router interface FE fast ethernet 0/1, and the other addresses are assigned to the 3 PCs. Now in this particular topology, this is the address which is assigned to the router from that particular IP addresses, and these are the addresses of the PCs, and this is the address for the interface FE01 and the other 3 addresses for the PCs. Now let us apply this on Cisco Packet Tracer. So now we will create the topology which we saw in the previous slide. Now the next task is to assign the IP addresses to PCs and the router interfaces. So first of all, let us click on this. Now remember one thing, for this PC 0, 1 and 2, this FE00 is the default gateway, and for all these 3 PCs FE01 is the default gateway. So I'll just show for PC 0 how to assign the IP address. So this IP address is 192.168.1.2. this will come automatically, and here the default gateway is 192.168.1.1. now this is the interface of this particular router FE00. so this we are connected to these 3 PCs. so for all these 3 PCs the default gateway is FE fast ethernet 00. Okay, now let us assign the IP addresses to all the other interfaces, all the other PCs as well as the router interfaces. Now we come to the router. I'll just click on this router and click on config. So here we can see the two interfaces, fast ethernet 00 and 01. so I'll just click on here and turn it on, and the IP address is 192.168.1.1. this will come automatically. Now for fast ethernet 01, the IP address is 192.168.2.1, and I have to turn it on. This configuration is complete. Now we'll configure the IP address of the other 3 PCs. Now here the default gateway is 192.168.2.1. Okay. The IP address of this particular interface fast Ethernet 01 for all these three PCs. Now we'll just check the connectivity by pinging from one network to another and within the network. So I just click on PC 0 and click on command prompt, and here I type the command ping 192.168.1.3. so this is the IP address of PC1. So I am pinging PC1 from PC0 within the network. So we're getting the reply. So this works within the network. Now let us see if it's working on the other network. So I'll just type ping 192.168.2.2. so this is, we are pinging from one network into the another network. So first packet is lost first with these three packets. So when we are pinging from one network to another, sometimes one packet gets lost. So we get one packet was lost, so three were received. So this works. Okay, you can do it again. So it's working. So this is how we have created two networks and work and saw the working. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching.